cooking? What's mom cooking?
Shit, spaghetti and chicken. You know chicken. We love that chicken.
Is there chicken in the spaghetti?
Yeah, sometime together.
Redban.
I promise you that was not on purpose.
In his defense, the soundboard is labeled in alphabetical order, and chicken and chimp are right next to each other. Turn the fucking thing up. I don't know why you pretend like your job's harder than it is. See? They're right next to each other.
I ain't even hear that shit.
Right next to crow and dog. Okay.
We usually friends, Redban. I can't wait to diabetes catch up with your ass, you motherfucker. You big fat bitch.